Hello everybody! We are going to learn today how to add an arc to a rectangle. I have already predefined perimeters and I'm gonna use Creative Line Half Moon for this exercise. So let's start. We are going to draw this using a MEVACO template from scratch. So click on Add Position. We go to MEVACO templates and we choose rectangle with one perforated zone. As you remember, in the model drawing we had a rectangle 1000 by 2000 millimeters. So I'm gonna set those dimensions here and proceed. Click Create. Here we go. We have our rectangle. Let's turn off our grid for the clarity purposes of this drawing, but also to avoid grid snapping. As we have our rectangle, I would like to add this arc shape here. So I'm gonna use my guidelines to set this middle point of an arc. I place it 500 millimeters away from this longer side of my rectangle. So it's just in the middle of the rectangle. And now I'm ready to draw an arc. In order to draw an arc, you have to select the first point, the starting point, then select the end point of an arc and adjust the chord accordingly. In order to do that, I'm gonna use a top button. 450 millimeters. And to confirm this, you just click Enter. Here we go. We have our shape. All we need to do, we need to work on our perforated zones. As you see, some parts are still missing and some parts needs to be cut out. So I will start with the missing part and the margins 60 millimeters wide. So go to Adjustment and would like to adjust my margins to 60 millimeters. Here we go. We've got our margins set and now I can go to Guidelines and draw vertical guidelines in order to know how to cut the perforation zone and delete those two parts. Minus 450 vertically, minus 1000 vertically, and minus 500. So this will help me to cut and delete the perforated zone precisely. I'm gonna use this cut rectangle tool and cut it from here to here. Of course, you draw a rectangle in order to make a cut. And here. Turning off guidelines and going to preview. Here we go. This is our finished drawing. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Wish you good luck with Designer and remember it's easy.